Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In QuickBooks, you enter information and perform tasks in many different windows. Unless you close the windows after using them, they remain open for ease of access. You can view a listing of the opened windows in QuickBooks to quickly switch between opened windows. This listing is called the Open Windows list. This feature lets you quickly switch between opened windows without having to open and close them repeatedly while working. You can see the Open Windows list within the icon bar if the icon bar is placed at the left side of the application window by clicking the Open Windows button within the icon bar. The section at the top of the icon bar will then show the names of any opened windows. You can then click the names of the windows within this list to switch between them. If you have the icon bar placed at the top of the QuickBooks application window, then the method of viewing the Open Windows list is slightly different. In this case, you can toggle the display of the Open Windows list on and off by selecting View, Open Window List from the menu bar. Selecting this command both shows and hides a pane at the left side of the screen that then shows the opened windows in the program. You can click the name of a window in the list to bring that window to the foreground of the stack of open windows in QuickBooks.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.